Today, I'll show you 5 trusted platforms where you can find freelance remote work, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, offering flexible roles in fields like writing, design, tech, and more. 1. Hubstaff Talent. Hubstaff Talent is a free remote job board that connects businesses directly with freelancers and agencies in fields like development, design, marketing, and admin support. Unlike many platforms, there are no middlemen or service fees involved. Freelancers get paid in full. You can filter by job type, experience level, and pay rate, with many listings offering flexible remote roles starting at $15 and going up to $50 per hour. If you're looking for a no-commission platform with global reach, Hubstaff Talent is a solid choice. 2. Guru. Guru is a freelance marketplace built for professionals in categories like programming, writing, design, and business services. The platform features a secure workroom for managing projects and milestones, plus flexible payment terms like hourly, fixed price, or recurring. Freelancers set their own rates, typically ranging from $20 to $60 per hour, depending on experience and niche. If you want more control over your freelance contracts and enjoy a professional environment, Guru is a platform worth exploring. 3. Simply Hired. Simply Hired isn't a freelance site itself, but a job search engine that aggregates listings from across the internet, including remote, part-time, and freelance roles. You'll find jobs in nearly every field, from healthcare and tech to writing and data entry. While pay varies widely depending on the job type, many remote listings offer hourly rates between $15 and $45. With its wide net and user-friendly search tools, Simply Hired is great for casting a broad search across multiple industries. Before we move on to next one, here's something for you. Are you looking to earn $25 to $35 per hour from the comfort of your home? Remote live chat assistant positions are now available. No interviews, no experience, and no qualifications required. Click the link in the description to get started today. 4. Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is one of the oldest and most active freelance marketplaces, with thousands of gigs posted daily in areas like software development, design, writing, and virtual assistants. Clients post jobs and freelancers submit competitive bids, with earnings ranging from $10 to $100 plus per hour, depending on the scope and expertise required. While the competition can be fierce and fees apply, consistent effort and strong reviews can help you build a profitable freelance career here. 5. Fiverr. Fiverr allows freelancers to sell specific services, called gigs, starting at $5, but many sellers charge far more as they build credibility. Whether you're offering voiceovers, graphic design, SEO services, or tech support, Fiverr makes it easy to package and promote your skills. Top-rated sellers often earn between $25 and $100 per hour by creating premium gig packages. If you prefer setting your own offerings and scaling your freelance business over time, Fiverr is a great platform to grow on. Each of these platforms offers unique ways to earn remotely, so explore your options, find the right fit, and start building your freelance career today. Don't forget to explore remote live chat assistant positions, offering $25 to $35 per hour from the comfort of your home. No interviews, no experience, and no qualifications required. Click the link in the description to get started today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on remote jobs, side hustles, and earning opportunities. See you in the next video.